This video tutorial I will cover mathematical operators in Spring expression language. Here I have defined a class medical insurance. It has three properties: insurance policy number, insured amount, and bonus amount, and getter and setter methods for these three properties. Here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class employee. It has properties like ID, name, test add, test subtraction, test multiplication, test division, test modulus, and test exponential power, and getter and setter methods for these properties. Here I have overridden toString method. This is a Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file, and it creates medical insurance object and set insurance policy number value as 10, insured amount value as 15,000, and bonus amount value as 2000. And Spring container creates employee object, set ID value as 100, name value as Peter. Here we are adding insured amount and bonus amount value of medical insurance object and setting the result to test add property. Like that we are doing subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponential power. These operators are mathematical operators. Here I have defined a class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting medical insurance object from Spring container, and displaying that. Then using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container, and displaying that.